Good morning. It's Wednesday, November 15th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Checking out the composite radar this morning. Looks like we're just covered in rain. This is a little bit deceiving. We do have showers through LaGrange and Columbus. Down in Albany, some showers, southwest Georgia. East Georgia, not so much. Augusta, not quite raining there yet. Burke County as well, but that rain is up in the atmosphere, so it's foggy, and it's kind of, feels like it's getting ready to rain, but most of the rain in the eastern part of the state is just now crossing I-16, but it's going to continue to push north over the next few hours. All this is coming from that big storm system in the Gulf of Mexico. We look at the radar and satellite imagery combined, and you can see it's kind of has that turn going on. So not a tropical storm. It's not going to become one. As a matter of fact, it is weakening quite a bit. But the center of that storm just south of New Orleans, continuing to push the rain in to the Florida Panhandle, and that's going to continue to push rain, especially in the southwest Georgia. Before we check out the temps, just want to show you how much rain we're looking at. So the models have been kind of going back and forth on this, but they're pretty consistent about southwest Georgia seeing around 2 inches of rain over the next couple of days. So this takes us through Friday afternoon and showing maybe an inch or so of rain for the rest of South Georgia, and then pretty much gets cut off right there at I-16. You get north of that, head up toward Metro Atlanta, above Macon, and those numbers drop below 1 inch, and that's probably going to be the case. Again, this is just very light rain that we're going to be experiencing for most of the state, with the exception of southwest Georgia. That's where we're going to pick up some of those heavier showers. So let's get back to our map here to take a look at the temperatures. As we're animating the temperature, so we'll slow that up there. So mid-50s over a good part of the state, low 50s here and there, so fairly mild temperatures. And again, that's that southerly flow of air coming up, so it's fairly warm and somewhat humid as well. So we start off fairly mild this morning. So let's take a look at the modeling. See those showers. Again, this is quite deceiving. This doesn't mean it's going to be raining everywhere we see green. It just means that we're going to have that moisture in the atmosphere, so it could rain. As we move through the morning hours, that's starting to fizzle. Look at that, just fading out. It's starting to meet some drier air up toward the northeast over North Carolina. So that's why we're just getting that to fizzle out quite a bit. But those showers are going to remain in southwest Georgia, just pop-up showers over the mountains. We head into the afternoon hours. Again, still seeing those showers kind of lingering around, mainly in South Georgia. Wind also will begin to pick up as the center of this storm moves in a little bit closer. So expect those gusts, 20, 25 miles per hour as we move through the afternoon and evening hours in the southern part of the state. And then overnight tonight, clouds and a few scattered showers. This is going to set up for another foggy situation, mainly in the mid-state. It's going to be so breezy tomorrow that it's going to hard to get a lot of that fog to settle in, but we'll still see some foggy conditions, patchy in South Georgia, and then those scattered showers pretty much anywhere as we move through the day. Tomorrow, we head into Friday. Now, this is going to look pretty quiet, although some of these showers could turn into thunderstorms. We haven't seen a lot of thunderstorm activity over the last several weeks, but that could happen as we move through Friday. So just a general thunderstorm risk over the most of the state of Georgia, and we see some showers starting to drop in from the north as well. The good news is we'll clear all this out by Friday, and we head into the weekend. Things look good across the state. Going to enjoy some drier air. Temperatures really won't drop very much. It'll be nice and mild. It should be a nice weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.